friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a Walgreens haul that's really fantastic. It's a $5 moneymaker, 100% digital and 100% awesome. So this is just absolutely stupendous. Loving Walgreens today, which is May the 14th. And happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. And then until Monday, we have a free 8x10 photo using the coupon code at checkout, may be free. There it is. And there's my gorgeous Dollar General haul. Should I go and get a picture of that? Probably not. I'll have some Dollar General at the end of this video if you're interested. We still have one day also left in the clearance event. So the best clearance shopper is probably my cat Gizmo, and he got all that yellow Tide, and he asked if you could possibly give this video a big thumbs up, so you could just, encourage him to go out and do more clearance shopping. Or I might be making all of that up. But if you could give this video a big thumbs up, I would be so, so grateful. Okay, guys, first deal that we're going to talk about is just if you want to go to the store, grab a couple cheapies or freebies and then dip. The first would be to grab either 2 of the mouth rinses, this little 8-ouncer, or 2 toothbrushes, or a mix and match like I did. We have this digital coupon that you're going to load, which is $3, and both of those dental care products are $3 each. So that's 6, subtracting this, you're paying 3 out of pocket. And then you're going to get back a $3 register reward. Now, if you wish to roll some Walgreens cash, if you have it, by all means, go for it, and that register reward should still print for you. I did this deal this morning, and it was perfect. Okay, the next deal that we have is on the Pantene Miracle Rescues. These are actually $6 this week, either online or in store. We have this very unique $5 off digital that is attaching. So definitely load that guy. And then guess what, guys? One of these at $6, subtracting that $5 digital, you're paying $1 for those rescue shots. I believe it's some sort of oil if you have dry hair, and I certainly am guilty of that. It makes it $1. And if you're just buying this deal on its own without a booster, yes, you can use some Walgreens cash, so you're not paying that $1 out of pocket. So it's really fantastic. Another thing you should be on the lookout for over at Walgreens is clearance gum, of all things. If that's your thing, there was the extra, these in both mint and bubblegum flavor, 99 cents. Not 49 cents, but 99 cents. I guess we'll have to take it. Here is the UPC. If you can ask the cashier to scan one for you if it's not tagged in your store. I know that sometimes, Michigan and Texas are the same clearance price, but then in, Maine, it might be completely different. But be on the lookout for this clearance gum. Another superb deal this week is to grab 4 of the P&G detergent products. I grabbed 3 dryer sheets and then 1 Tide Oxy because I have some problems. I got so much of this on Friday and I needed more. So just to show you, they're tagged and they are 4 for $9. So you can mix and match, or you can grab all of one item if you wish. I believe the Tide Simply pods as well are part of it, but I just could not track down a bag today. But just to give you the visuals, and there might be a scent bead also included, but I didn't take a photo because I'm having some problems this morning. So grabbing 4 of these, that's $9 on the nose. I would grab something else for $1 and then use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay the tax. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to build up your stockpile. Okay, now we have this Head & Shoulders Supreme for $10.99. It's buy one, get one 50% off, and $4 register reward when you buy 2. This is, in fact, a deal of the week. So just to make a note of that if you were going to do the Olay bar soap, you'd have to do them in separate transactions. And this is a 3 off of 2, so not a bad little digital coupon for us to use. Grabbing 2 of those fancier Head & Shoulders, it's $16.48 on a BOGO 50% off. Subtracting that digital coupon, you are paying $13.48. Getting back a $4 register reward, making it $9.48. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. Like many of you, I had this, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25. My second card got it this morning, so you might want to double, triple check if you have it. And I have this paper booster, guys, so I wanted to stack the 2. This is the basket that I grabbed. A men's Gillette razor, a ladies' Venus razor, 1 Tom's of Maine, and then 2 Olay bar soap, because I haven't seen a lot of bar soap lately, so I'm like, I think I need some. And so I wasn't breaking the bank. I also threw in 2 manufacturer register rewards, a $10 off from last week's Nexus and a $5 off, I think, from a P&G deal last week. So I threw both of those in. Showing you the razors that I grabbed, we have the men's Gillette Fusion 5 for $12. And as you see, it's tagged $10 Walgreens cash when you buy 2. It's not a register reward, it's Walgreens cash. I made a mistake in my matchups video. And then I also grabbed this ladies one for $11. In the flyer it said $10 razor, but here we are at $12 and $11, so they fake newsed us really good. And we also have this coupon, which is the $3 for the men's. Make sure you have it loaded. And then for the ladies, we have another $3 digital coupon. I only have it on one store card. I think I might have used it on my other store card. So, what a mistake. I also grabbed one of these Toms of Maine because I think this is a spectacular deal. They're $4.99. You might have $1 digital. I've used all of mine. But it's $3 in Walgreens cash back when you buy one of these. So it makes it $1.99. Factoring in those 2 boosters, it's going to be a freebie, but love this. And then we have the $7 Olay bar soap, or alternatively, you can get the body wash. I got bar soap. My mother-in-law likes bar soap, so that's what we went with. It's $7. When you buy 2, it's a deal of the week. You're going to get back $4 register reward. And then we have a 4 off 2 digital that showed up this morning, so I made sure I had that loaded. Okay, guys, looking at the math for this one, 2 fancy razors is $23. 2 of those packs of the Olay bar soap is $14, and 1 Toms of Maine for $4.99 for a grand total of $41.99. I have 2 different boosters. One is a 10 back when you spend $40. Thus, I really wanted to get to that $40 mark. I also had my 10 back when you spend $25 booster. That's $20 back when you're spending $40. So right there, I mean, that's just totally winning. I had $10 in digital coupons that also came off, 6 for the razors and 4 for the bar soap, and then $15 in manufacturer register rewards. So with my debit card, I paid $16.99 plus tax. Got back $33 in Walgreens cash, 20 for the boosters, 10 for the razors, and then 3 for Toms of Maine, and then one $4 register reward for the Olay bar soap. So it makes this free plus a $5 and 1 penny money maker. Remember, as you're using those 2 different boosters of spend 25, get back 10, and spend 40, get back 10, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards, or it's going to mess everything up. But, even not factoring in my $15 of register rewards, the fact that this is a $5 moneymaker, this is a superb deal. So today is the last day of the Dollar General clearance event. If your store still might have anything, I was picking through bones all day yesterday, and this was my puny haul. It's still better than nothing, and I think it shaked out to like $2 or something like that. So I'm fine with it. I want to let you know that one store that I scouted and found like so much detergent, these were the aisles before and after. It's like a bomb went off. And no, I didn't shop at the store on Friday, but like the shoppers that went in, there wasn't a crumb left. So I imagine like the Grinch Who Stole Christmas, it was like not a crumb left and nothing left. But I'm just going to walk through what I got. The first was I found another one of these clearance skin creams, and then this Lysol spray for $2.02. That skin cream with the $5 digital gave me like $1.07 of overage. So I paid 94 cents. And then I also got back 75 cents back from coupons.com because there's a rebate for this disinfectant Lysol spray. So it was like it was like 19 cents for these 2 items. So that was totally a win. We have everybody's favorite, which is the Bic Click 3. So it was $2.42, $2 digital, so 42 cents. And just to explain something, all these 50% off clearance prices will go back to $4.84 tomorrow. So that's the beauty of the clearance event. I did grab one of these finish packs for $2.22, subtracting that $1.50 digital, 72 cents. I think over a couple different store cards, I got a good amount of these, so I'm very happy with that. And then we also have this Caress body wash for $3.75 for 2 of them, and we have a 3 off 2 digital. Make sure that your digitals are still active as well. So it made it 75 cents for the 2, which is a very superb price for Caress body wash. I love the exfoliating ones, especially after like you shave. It feels great on your legs. And then the Crest, I was able to find one of these for $2.62, $3 digital. I got a little bit of overage, just a small amount. And I just triple check again if your digital coupons are still valid. And then the final item that I found was the Suave deodorant for $1.17, and we had $1.50 of digitals. I believe they're still valid. So I mean, if you find one of these roller balls and you can line it up, make it happen. So I think I might go to one more store and do a bit more scouring, and I am loving this Dollar General clearance event. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.